Let's learn about our feelings today.
Let's look at the feelings cup.
Turn the cup and look at the face.
How are you today?
If you're happy and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're angry and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're tired and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're tired and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're sad and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're hungry and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're excited and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're excited and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. Happy,
Angry,
tired,
sad,
hungry,
and
excited. If you're happy and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're angry and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn. If you're tired and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're tired and you know it, turn the cup. Turn, turn.